Threat Chronicles,
the podcast where we decode digital dangers. I'm your host, Daisy, and today we're discussing web-based attack with a special focus of credential reuse attacks. Joining me are the cybersecurity enthusiasts and experts.
Let's meet our cast.
Hello, I'm Jocelyn, focus on web application security.
Hi, I'm Elizabeth, and I explore how hackers think to stop them.
Hi, I'm Marian, specializing in rich data analysis and exploring the human factors in cyber attacks.
Hello, I'm Carl, advocating for robust cybersecurity laws.
Juicy, working on enterprises level cyber defense.
Hello, I'm Ella, passionate about empowering users to stay secure.
Josie, can you explain web-based attacks?
Web-based attacks exploit vulnerabilities in web applications to steal data, deface websites, or even gain control over systems. Common methods include SQL, injections, cross-site scripting, and phishing attacks.
Elizabeth, how do this connect to credential reuse?
Credential reuse attacks happen when hackers use stolen login details from one site to access other accounts. People often reuse passwords across multiple platforms, making this tactic very effective.
Marian, how common are these attacks?
It's extremely common. Breach data from major incidents like Yahoo and LinkedIn hacks are still being exploited in credential reuse attacks years later.
These issues also challenges governments. Compromised credential from one breach can cascade into national security threats if officials use password for sensitive systems.
Marian, why do people reuse credentials despite warnings?
It's a mix of convenience and underestimating risk. People think it won't happen to me or struggle to manage unique password for every site. Plus, some users aren't aware of tools like passwords managers, which simplify secure password creation and storage.
Josie, what can businesses and individuals do?
Business should enforce multi-factor authentication or MFA, monitor for unauthorized access, and educate employees. For individuals, using password managers and enabling MFA is critical.
Regularly checking if your accounts have been compromised via services like havebeentpwned.com is also helpful.
Developers need to secure applications by patching vulnerabilities and conducting regular security audits.
Okay, so web-based attacks, especially credential reuse, are preventable with awareness and proactive measures. Before we go, what's one quick tip from each of you?
Don't ignore software updates, patch security holes.
Use unique passwords for every account.
Stay informed about breaches.
Advocate for stricter cybersecurity laws.
Enable multi-factor authentication everywhere. Break that it won't happen to me mindset. Educate yourself and others. Knowledge is power.
Thank you, team, and thank you, listeners. That's it for Cyber Threat Chronicles. Until next time, stay informed and stay secure.